going to be Elderberry Rob. This is out of Mrs. Greaves' recipe book, and it's probably the easiest elderberry remedy series. And for basically, you put a fifth of their weight in sugar and just a tiny splash of water into a pan. And you just let it bubble, stir it, and let it evaporate down. Easiest one, Elderberry Rob. Thick, honey-like consistency, and then bottle it. And then you can either take it as a spoonful, have a spoonful as a syrup, or you can dilute it as a cordial. But yeah, that